How to remove HeyGen Watermark. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Learning Lane. Today we've got a solution for a common question. How to remove the watermark in HeyGen. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So here you'll see a video I made with HeyGen and a screenshot of it. So I opened my video and here you can see the HeyGen logo showing. The screenshot I took also has its logo. Now open a browser of your choice and type in search photo room. And take your screenshot by clicking on Start from Photo here. Then click on the logo that appears to remove it. Do as I show. I don't like the results shown here, so I'll remove it again. It might look better if I remove it little by little like this. So that's what I'm doing. However, after removing from here, I'll download the image by clicking on Download. Now you'll need a video editor. I'm using CapCut. If you want to use CapCut, then go to Google and search by typing CapCut and download and use it for free. Anyways, I'll now open CapCut app. After opening CapCut, click on New Project. Then import your desired video and screenshot from the logo you just removed here. First drag and drop your video here. Then drag and drop your screenshot here. It's good to say that if you want to use these apps completely, you must have a net connection. Then zoom your screenshot from here to do the same as the previous video. Then on the right side, you can see an option called a mask. But you have to have an internet connection to use it. I don't have one now, so I won't use it. So the way you can do this without a net connection is that you can see the crop option. I'll complete the work using this tool. Do as I show you. Click on the confirm option after cropping, then adjust it. Now if you'll observe, you'll see that the logo is not showing here. But it has to be fine-tuned. I couldn't fine-tune it here, I just showed you the process. 250 to 403, delete this. Thanks for watching the Learning Lane family. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below.